Hello, thank you for choosing TPM as your SOLIDWORKS and 3D experience resource. In this video, I will be showing the first steps for your initial activation of your 3D experience platform. At this moment in time, you likely would have signed your CLOSA agreement. If you haven't done so, you may be prompted to read and accept the terms not shown in this recording. You will have received an email transaction document that your 3D experience platform is ready. Please read through this email thoroughly. It includes the initial helpful details for the administrator and platform order details. If you are not designated or intended to be a or the platform administrator, please forward this email to the correct person. To begin the steps for the initial activation of your 3D experience platform, at the bottom, please select the Launch Your 3D Experience Platform button link. Upon selecting the button, you may be directed to log in with your 3D Experience credentials. If you have not created one, you'll be directed to a web page providing instructions on how to do so. Please follow the steps accordingly. Once logged in, a welcome screen for the platform administrator will open up. Please note, you will receive a user license for this platform, and you will not be able to transfer the license to a different user for 30 days from the time the platform is selected activated. Once the welcome screen loads and you have read through it, select Make Me Administrator. Your 3D Experience platform will begin to be set up, which may take a minute, and you will immediately be loaded into the Platform Management dashboard. From this dashboard, you will begin to administrate your company's 3D Experience platform. Thank you for watching.